Hey guys, wanted to make this video. We've been hearing a lot of stuff going on in the DTF industry. Shelly and I just wanted to kind of jump on camera. We've been having a lot of big conversations. There's a lot of stuff going on with our main company, Flash Printing Depot, but we just kind of felt an obligation and a responsibility to kind of help the community. If there's anybody out there who needs any help, with everything that's going on, if you need any help, Shelly and I, we've been helping behind the scenes with a lot of people. People have been able to get consumables, through us, tech services, through us, just talk, right? If you're having any issue with your TXF Series DTF printer, or even really anything, right? Any other printer, stuff like that, people have really been able to reach out to us. We've been if you notice, we've been very quiet on social media. You don't really see too many videos on Straight Outta Content. You really don't see them at all in Flash Custom Transfers. We have just been very focused, but we today's Sunday, right?
Yeah, So right before the beginning of the week, we wanted to put this out and just kind of a community outreach to let our community know, like Carl said, we feel a responsibility for Flash Fam, for customers of ours, people that aren't customers of ours, with the TXF series. So if you are needing, like Carl was saying, help with service, help with ink, help with film, things like that, you can definitely reach out to us at our email, ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com. And we'd love to hear your story, and we'd love to get you in touch with the right people and the right things for you guys. So this is kind of like a community outreach, public service announcement for anyone who needs to be heard and needs their story heard and needs help. We definitely have those people that can help you, and we can do our best to help you as well.
Yeah, we just don't want to leave, we've been contacted a lot behind the scenes, and Shelly and I are like, okay, this is getting really, really big. And we just want to help. Like I said, we've promoted products and stuff like that a lot. So we don't want people to think, oh man, I can't, reach out to Carl and Shelly anymore.
Definitely can. You guys know we're always here.
Yes.
We always tell y'all, just email us, ordernow@flashcustomtransfers.com.
Yes. And that's not to order anything.
No, that's just our email.
Yeah.
And I think you will have a spot on the website as well.
Yeah, I'm thinking about putting a spot on the website. There'll be a link in the description that you guys can click. And then, like I said, tell us your story. Tell us what you're going through. Not necessarily even going through, just tell us, what issues you may have, if you need anything. And like I said, we've been helping a lot of people who, may reach out to us for a numerous amount of reasons. And just because we haven't been that public on social media, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and stuff like that, just because we haven't doesn't mean that we're still not here to help. Yes, the focus is our main company, Flash Printing Depot. That's always going to be our focus. Shelly and I and a bunch of great people that we're working with, some partners of ours, are like, guys, if you need any help, what can we do to help? And we're like, okay, let us focus. Let us have a conversation. And that's exactly what Shelly and I did, even before we turned on the camera. There's no mics, there's nothing, fancy here like we normally do. We just like, let's just turn on the camera. It's been a very long time since I posted a video, especially pertaining to, the whole industry. So we just wanted to jump on. You got the big GPX show next week.
Yes, we will be in the building. Yes. So if you guys are coming and you see us, say hello.
Yeah, say hello. But again, Shelly said it perfect. We're just trying to help the community. And if you guys got, leave a comment down below. If you guys need anything, just reach out. We're here. We're not going to go anywhere. We're still, we may not produce, transfers or whatever, but we're still here to help. And we have access to a lot of people who we think that can help. Yeah. So I think that's pretty much it, babe.
No, what is it? We form like Voltron.
I don't know what she's.
Like everyone forms like Voltron.
We have a web of connects and people who are, totally able to help, tons of experience, years of experience, and, whatever you may need, just contact us, especially pertaining to the TXF Series printer. Just contact us and say, hey, I need this, I need that, or
can you help me with this?
Yes.
I've been having trouble with this.
Yes.
Have you heard about this? Is there something I can do? Any situation, any issue that you have, contact us. I'm pretty sure that we can get you with the right people.
Yeah, yes. So we're just using our platform to help. That's what we're doing. We're using our platform to help. So, reach out to us, tell us your story, and let us know what's going on. And maybe we can help. And if we can't, then we'll be like, hey, unfortunately, we don't have any answers for that right now, but I know myself, and if I can't find an answer, I'll at least point you in the direction of somebody who can give you an answer. So I think that's gonna be it for this video. Again, we're so focused, so please apologize. We apologize for not pumping out as much content as we normally do. We will be, maybe one day back to pumping out a lot more content. But yeah, we just felt, let's just jump on camera and just do it old school, like we used to do it, and just let people know.
Yeah, we appreciate your support with this transition from Flash Custom Transfers to Flash Printing Depot. The support has been outrageous from all of the Flash fam. So this is why we're doing it. We're doing it for y'all. We feel like this is our obligation to the industry, to the community. So we appreciate y'all, and we will hear from y'all soon. Or just drop a comment down below. Let us know what's going on. If you know somebody, please share this video with someone that's having issues, anything like that. We are here. So we will see you guys next time. The email will be down below in the description, and we'll see you next time.
Peace out, guys. Be safe.